Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this beating heart effect on Capcut PC. So I'm just going to add this kind of like pinkish red, I don't know the specific color, but picture to the track. Go to mask and add in a heart shape. You can leave it like this, or you can also feather it out just a little bit like that. And you can even like add in like a spark to it as well if you'd like to, like here, like might as well rotate it or something like that. Totally up to you if you want to add in some more effects to it, or you can go to stickers and add in like another heart shape inside of it, or maybe something like that, but it does move, so I'm not sure how it's going to work with the maybe something like this one you can add, or even this one, but the shape, okay, I might add this one even though the shape isn't, well, it doesn't match very well. And you're going to kind of put it not like at 4 seconds, maybe like 5 seconds, up to you, like how long you want the beating heart to be. Select both. I'm just going to like scale it down a little bit maybe. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Oh, maybe I like this one better, and it is a beating heart, so I can maybe follow the animation of it. If you want to add more than one, you're welcome to, like this. As you can see, you can add more than one, and I'm just going to select them all, right click, create compound clip. Now once I've done that, I'm just going to add in a keyframe here, and then I'm going to go like maybe a few keyframes here and then scale it up a little bit, and then go down a few keyframes and then scale it down again, and then again scale it up. It doesn't have to be super precise, but it's up to you, and just like adjust it along the way. If it's too fast, you can preview it first, but this is what it should look like once you're done. And that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!